Which of the following is not a command line environment? So we're going to go over the possible answers, and take a look at them. So first is a shell. And now a shell is typically used in Linux, and it's the equivalent to command line in Windows. So if you go onto your Windows computer and you just type in command prompt or CMD, go ahead and do that. I'll show you what pulls up. So check out my computer. CMD, the command prompt pulls up, and then you're going to be in your command line environment. And then you also have PowerShell. If you don't know this, just type in PowerShell or just power, and then Windows should bring up Windows PowerShell, and this is another command line. So you have these two different ways. You also have shell, but that's for Linux. So that means our non-possible answer is going to be desktop. The desktop itself is just the place where you interact with things. The desktop is actually kind of the opposite. It's more of a GUI, which is a graphical user interface. You interact with like folders, you interact with the trash can, you interact with icons instead of using the command line. So those are the differences there. Shell, command, and PowerShell are all command line environments. The only one that's not is a desktop, and that's because it's GUI.